how to remove the background noise from your video. So if you have a video or an audio track and you want to go and remove the background noise, I'm going to show you how we can do this and how we can make our audio crisp and clear. So the very first step is to open up an internet browser, and you need to head over to the website clipchamp.com and then press enter. Now once you're on this website, we need to select try for free in the top right hand side, and you'll need to go and create a free Clipchamp account. Now I'm just going to use my Google account to sign in by pressing continue with Google, and once you're signed in you can press continue. Now from this page you can scroll right down to the bottom and select create a new video. You can then click import media in the top left hand side and go and locate the audio or the video that you want to remove the background sound from. So I'm going to upload this video here, and once it's uploaded we can simply drag this video over to the timeline. Now you can click on the play button to hear what your audio currently sounds like, and to remove the background sound we just need to make sure the video is selected. You can then click on audio in the right hand side, select detach audio, and that's going to place our audio on this second track down here. So now you can just click on your audio track and go and turn on noise suppression. Now this feature is essentially going to remove any background noise in your video. So after this is finished loading, you can go and play your video back, make sure you're happy with the audio, and then we can just go and re-export this by clicking export in the top right hand side, and you can go and re-download this back to your computer without the background noise. And it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.